Hello, it's August 22nd. So one number came out from Japan. The trade figure, Japan has more trade deficit than it has been expected from the analysts. So they do less exports and more importing. The one factor of more importing is not only energy or those commodities, but also they are now importing more what Japan used to exports. For example, cars or machineries or those products that Japan has more competitive advantage. They're now importing those stuff because it's getting cheaper overseas. And also why the other reason we are in a trade deficit is because the exports are decreasing, and the reason for exports decreasing is because one, more countries, more firms are going out and making production overseas. So example, say Nissan, Toyota, they are making their factories overseas, which means they don't have to export from Japan. So this is a very clear and easy reason. So one of the reasons that Japan's whole exports are decreasing. The other reason is just see the global economy environment. Starting from Euro, we are seeing a better or worse recovery from America, but still moderate. People still doubt about the stability of Chinese growth. So because of the two reasons, we are seeing exports deficit, and this is a structural phenomenon, and this will not be better, or this will not change in the short term. But it's not necessarily negative news for Japanese companies, as it's good for their profit to shift their factories overseas. But Nikkei has rise over 9,000 yen. It's around 9,120 yen. It's pretty in a high range compared to the past 3 months. But just be careful. Some people say, yeah, Japanese firms are having good figure, but Japanese stocks are not traded, at least for now, for their revenue, but they are now more related to the global economy, and still there's a possibility that global economy will be very unstable in September. So in that case, we will see a slashback in Japanese stocks.